Your project manager just said the 4 words that strike fear into every front-end developer. We need real-time collaboration. Like Google Docs. For years, we used operational transformation to stitch this together. It worked mostly, but OT required a central server to sequence every operation. Lose the connection, and you're stuck in reconnecting, limbo. But what if the data structure itself could resolve conflicts? No server, no sequencing, just math. That's the promise of CRDTs, conflict-free replicated data types. Before we touch a single DOM node, we need to talk about math. 3 algebraic properties make CRDTs work. Commutativity: if I add hello and you add world, the arrival order doesn't matter. A plus B equals B plus A. Associativity: we can group operations and apply them in batches without breaking anything. Idempotence: apply the same update twice, a network glitch resends it and the system ignores the duplicate. Here's what this looks like. A G counter, the hello world of CRDTs. Each node keeps its own count. Node A increments twice. Node B increments once. Merge B into A. Take the maximum for each node 3. Merge again, the duplicate's still 3. Idempotence. Merge A into B instead. Still 3. Commutativity. CRDTs move the intelligence out of the server and into the data structure itself. So if the math is perfect, why isn't every app using CRDTs? Because execution is messy. Every character in a sequence CRDT carries heavy metadata, unique ID plus position information in a fractional tree or skip list. You're not storing hello, you're storing 5 unique IDs plus positional metadata. Rich text makes it worse. Overlapping bold and italic formats need algorithms like paratext to interleave boundaries correctly. And the algorithm choice matters. EAS uses block-based data to compress metadata. Automerge uses a tree with large metadata blocks. At scale, IJAS dramatically outperforms. So how do you ship this without UI lag? The architecture matters as much as the CRDT. Store the document in a web worker. It handles all the heavy computation, then emits only the changes to the main thread. The renderer updates just the parts that changed. Without this isolation, you get input lag. The user types and letters appear 200 milliseconds later. The ecosystem has matured into a spectrum of choices. The performance hero with block-based yada. Automerge, great for nested JSON data. LiveBlocks, a managed service that abstracts away the backend, but the real value is strategic. CRDTs enable local-first architecture. Work offline, sync when connectivity returns. The UI feels instant because it is local. We're moving from Google Docs mode to offline first, offloading collaboration complexity from the server to the data structure itself.